Welcome to part 2 of the bench grinding machine series, in which you are going to learn about the replacement and maintenance of general purpose abrasive wheels as fitted to bench model machines. Abrasive wheels are available in various grades and types of abrasives. A general purpose type wheel is made using aluminium oxide, which is visibly identifiable by its brownish color. Aluminium oxide wheels are suitable for grinding all steels, whereas a silicon carbide wheel or green wheel is used for grinding tungsten carbide, such as used in the manufacture of machine tools. Every Norton wheel is fitted with soft paper blotters on which information is stamped. Let's study this typical wheel information. The figure of 2660 is the maximum speed in revolutions per minute of the motor spindle on the grinding machine. The figure given on the specification decal must not exceed the figure shown on the wheel. Wheel dimensions are given with these figures. 250 is the overall diameter of the wheel in millimeters. 25 is the width or thickness of the wheel in millimeters. 31,75 is the diameter of the spindle hole in the wheel, also in millimeters. The remaining information is coded and refers to the type of abrasive grit particles. In this example, A denotes aluminium oxide. The figure 46 indicates the grit size, which is the degree of coarseness. 46 indicates a medium grit abrasive. The grit ranges are 2430, which is very coarse, 36, which is coarse, 46, already mentioned, is medium, and 60, which is fine. Other information given refers to the hardness of material and the type of bonding agent utilized in the wheel's manufacture. In this example, the letter V means vitrified. Let's briefly review. Firstly, the maximum speed figure given in revolutions per minute should be the same or higher than the spindle speed rating on your machine. The wheel diameter in millimeters. The wheel width in millimeters. The diameter of the spindle hole, also in millimeters. Every wheel carries its identification of the grit size, which is the degree of coarseness. 2430 being very coarse, 36 being coarse, 46 being medium, and 60 being fine grit. After the pause, we shall discuss how to inspect and test wheels.